Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we're making pork stir fry. And now I'm going to prepare the pork to be deep fried. I have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 beaten egg, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this through. Okay, so this is all mixed through. I'm going to put this aside for 10 minutes so I can prepare the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare the sauce. I have here half a cup of red wine, half a cup of tomato sauce, tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Okay, now I'm going to mix this together. Okay, so that's all combined. I'm just going to coat the pork into the corn flour and then deep fry them. And now I'm going to start deep frying the pork. Okay, I'm going to cook that for about 3 minutes and it should float to the top, and that's when you know it's ready. Okay, these are done and I'll just place them on the plate. Okay, so these are deep fried. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, I'm just going to cook off the bok choy and the broccolini. Okay, these are done. Alright, I'm going to fry up some garlic now. Okay, I will place the sauce in the wok. Okay, now in goes the pork. And mix that through. Okay, that's ready now. I'm going to plate it up. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like us, and we'll see you next time. Bye!